of my shop. I'm the home designated screen protector girl. So this is day 2 after PPP. I got boosted and I cleared my schedule today. I would say I cleared 80%. Although I have gotten back to work again. Thankfully my side effects aren't that bad. I just feel a little bit hot, but it's not really like a feverish kind of hot. My arm is a little bit painful, but that's very normal. And I feel like there's a headache, like a nagging headache. It's not like a migraine, like super intense kind, but it's just like something that's there. Anyway, I'm gonna go and take a Panadol just so that I can be fully functional and 100% productive. What? Buying this one for all of my makeup. I plan to kind of stack 2 on top. Guys, we just spent the most money I've ever spent in IKEA. Bought a customized wardrobe to store all of my cosmetic stuff, and everything added up to like 1.2k. Is it gonna be worth it? He insisted that I get it because he's like, if you don't get it, the thing's gonna end up being on the floor, so get it. I was just like,
Speaking from experience.
Adulting is tough. Good morning. Today I've got a full morning by myself at home because Matt has gone out with his friends. I read somewhere that, you know, the way you should do chia seeds is to kind of put it in water to let it have a chance to grow. I am guilty of just like being really impatient and adding my chia seeds as it is, like dried and shriveled up. They look like sesame seeds. I've got some time to stir in just water. I'm seeing it grow. Look really kind of cool. You can see it like being suspended in water. Shooting something for Valentine's Day, and I actually really like this look that I created. Dior cushion. Love. The lipstick is actually this one. Rouge Dior 720 Velvet. British coral color. So beautiful. I'm just wearing it over a black dress. I think it's a bit loud for me to go out for dinner tonight, so I'm still gonna just wear my black dress, but for a shoot it's really, really nice. Is it very nice?
Yeah.
I really liked it too.
Super good recommendation.
So we bought some stuff from Takashimaya. So tiring. Isetan to Tangs to Takashimaya. Looked around for flatware sets. We finally bought something. Yeah. I think I clocked in like no joke, like 5,000 steps in just that shopping trip. I think it's all worth it because we got a really good deal. Like we caught the last day of the Chinese New Year sale today. One of the last few to leave the office today. It looks really nice when it's like empty, doesn't it? Today is another house inspection day. We're trying to make it a point to go as often as possible, and that is a tip that I have for you, especially when they are finishing up like the final stages. Changes are usually very large and very major, so if you don't catch them early, you might run the risk of, you know, just settling for a job that is not ideal. If you catch them early at every stage, they can still come back and, like, you know, amend here and there. Oh, fresh air feels so good. Having dinner with our ID after the house visit. Yeah! Dun, 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 dun. And Gongcha! Today we are gonna celebrate a mini Chinese New Year celebration in the office. So we are gonna tapao some food back. Woohoo! Just shout, go.
200
快啦！身体健康 ，No COVID, yeah, diabetes, no cholesterol. Okay. 开开心心 everybody. I just did a whole bunch of housework. Went grocery shopping twice, cooked, cleaned, vacuumed, and now I gotta start doing my work. Another day, another moving in day. I've been so tired, like physically exhausted. Doing housework is no joke, guys, and I've been doing 5 times more housework because the whole house is just super dusty and such a huge mess, and I've got so much to unpack. I really don't know how people can juggle having family, social life, exercising, looking good, working, cooking, doing housework all at the same time. Really, it's just been so tough. A lot of boxes behind me to carry, so I'm gonna do just that. Sorry guys, I forgot to vlog again. Just been so busy with the house. Today is the 2nd day in a row that I've cancelled my exercise class. Yesterday I cancelled spin, today I cancelled PT. I'm just so tired. Like just walking back and forth and doing housework. My legs ache. Anyway, Chinese New Year is right around the corner, so I gotta do my hair. They are looking a bit grassy. Needs a cut, some treatment, new color because the roots are all growing out, so I'm heading to Salon Vim right now. Wow, feasting again. This one is by my mother-in-law. Lunchtime! We're eating our favorite ban mian except for me because now I live with Nat and every time I buy a loaf of bread, I have to eat it for the next few days to finish it. How's the ban mian, Ashley?
It's not bad.
Oh my goodness, thanks Cheryl! My dear Cheryl got me all of these things. Woohoo! 잘 먹겠습니다! So Matt has this thing where he likes to freeze the plates before serving our guests ice cream. Look! Plate in the freezer! Wow. She's very fascinated by it. And there she is ruining me with her cookies. Okay, finish it. This is very nice. This is the rose one. Good morning. Pardon the crazy hair. Today we are getting ready for another shoot. Let me set you guys up here while I do the rest of my makeup and chat with y'all. I'm so happy that I created this like vanity area with a LED light over here so I can film my videos. You guys will see the home tour before this video anyway, so I hope you guys like it. I've been spending so much time and energy and money and effort on the house that it matters a lot to me if the people around me say that they like the house. Friends and my followers and family, like if they tell me that they see where my effort has gone into, you know, that makes me really happy. Okay, I have this habit of naming my things. When I was younger, like every single item I owned had a name. Like my phone was once called Phony. I know, very basic. My Samsung Jetbot, which is my robot cleaner, I've decided to name him Ziggy because he moves in a zigzag manner, and I was like, oh, Ziggy is very cute. It's like Ziggy is here. You guys are here. Past few weekends have been dedicated to shooting the house, but it's necessary because I really want to capture the house and share with you guys my entire renovation journey as soon as I can, as fresh as it is in my mind. So that is why, man, I have been OTing every single weekend, and my girls have been working very hard as well to help me with the content. But I'm very excited. This is how it looks like. Okay, the crew is back. Let's get going. Filming over. How do you feel?
Tired.
I'm tired too. Let's hope you guys like the home tour. Right now we are getting ready and we busked out my gift from my friend Kelly. This Christofle dining set. Look at how pretty it is. So you open it up, tan-tan, and the quality of it is amazing. This is such an excessive gift, so thank you, Kelly. And right now I have to shine the outside because there are a lot of fingerprint marks. Tan-tan, shiny. I look looks very cute, just like an egg. Preparing some steamboat tonight. I've got some mincemeat from my in-laws, mushrooms, my fave, quan fen, which I realized is called chuan fen.
Morning, so we only have to eat it first.
Morning! Today I am making some leftover salmon and pan frying some tofu. Just coated them in corn flour and pan frying them. Whee! Looks good. This is what I've been watching. It's actually really interesting. It's a documentary from Channel News Asia. Doing a massage, he's doing a facial, and we're at Shiroxi. Someone's got nice clean face, and he's got his Queen Aman, his favorite stuff at Tiong Bahru Bakery. I'm drinking in ice long black. I bought a whole bunch of salmon. Here it is. I know, that's a lot. It's gonna last me like 20 meals or something. Time for skincare! I actually have a skincare drawer right here, which has been so convenient. The Lab Green Flavonoid, they're really good for people with very sensitive skin. To be honest, between the two of them, I really interchange both. Like, I go for this when my skin feels sensitive, I go for this when my skin feels dry. Going in with this. Look at how cute this is. This is the Tokyo bottle. It has a cute little head, which is a bit weird. I'm twisting it off. Oh, the smell. Can never get over how SK2 smells. Moving on, I need this to save my soul. My skin's been really tired because I haven't been getting much sleep. So I'm using two different types of hydrating serums. This one has a thicker consistency, which is why I'm applying it after. And this one is from Glowfully. It's also great for sensitive skin. Just that it's a little bit pricey, but I've been loving it too. And then it's time for oil. This is my Galan Watery Youth Oil. So these days I've been quite into oils. This one is very lightweight. Great for those who are starting with oils, but if you are extremely dry and you need something very occlusive, I would say go in with a second oil. Yes. Moisturize. Eye cream. This is so luxurious. And it has my name on it.